Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting the mic and PC ready. Plug in your USB or 3.5mm headset, then open Windows Sound Settings and pick your input device. Set the input level around 75 to 90% so voices register without clipping. Next, launch Xbox Cloud Gaming in your browser and sign in. When the browser asks for microphone permission, allow it. This connects the page to your selected device. Once done, return to the tab and confirm the mic icon shows active. That verifies basic system and browser access. Now configure Xbox Cloud and the browser side so audio routes correctly. Open the Xbox Cloud overlay or the site settings, go to Devices, and choose the exact Windows input device you set earlier. Consistency matters. Use the built-in mic tester or a quick voice note to confirm clarity. Make sure in-game chat volume and push-to-talk options match your preference. If you need push-to-talk, assign a convenient key. Also verify browser privacy settings haven't reverted, because browsers sometimes block access between sessions. Finish by validating two-way chat in a party or with a friend. This proves both sending and receiving work. If you encounter silence, first confirm the browser tab isn't muted. Then check Windows privacy settings to ensure apps can access the microphone and verify the Xbox overlay mic toggle isn't muted. If problems persist, restart the browser or reboot the PC. Reselect the input device afterward. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to a different microphone device to isolate whether the issue is hardware, software, or browser specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.